Hello guys, review tablet Blackview Tab 90, this LTE version 128GB. Open box and look complementation. In complementation we have device, of course. We have protected glass for display and adapter for charging, Type-C cable, key for SIM slot. We have 10.9-inch display, HD resolution, 8200 mAh battery, and front camera and rear camera. Okay. On this side power button and volume buttons, speaker. On this side second speaker and Type-C cable, Type-C port. Camera on the back side, full plastic body. HD display, IPS matrix, Android 14 and docOS version 4, this launcher. Okay, Geekbench 6, Android 14 Mali G57, GPU, single core score, multi-core score, GPU test results. Okay. We have CPU Unisoc Tiger T606, Antutu benchmark results, and PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. Okay. Look camera, max zoom 4x, video we can record in Full HD or HD. Okay, and that's all. Thanks for watching this video, bye bye.